This that you're looking at right here is a yoke for a back of a senator, or if you're cutting a shirt, this is a yoke. So I need you guys to pay attention in this video. I want to pinpoint something very, very important. So pay good attention. As I've taught you guys, when you're cutting a senator outfit, you have to cut a yoke in order to turn it for a turn up, and in order before you apply your piping and things like that. So pay attention here, right? So lately, I stopped using yoke on my senator. I'm going to show you guys what the result without a yoke is going to look like. But what I figured out is that I stopped using yoke on my senator, and the result I'm getting is a lot smoother when I finish my outfit. So no more yoke at all. So I want you guys to pay attention. What I noticed is that after I sew my senator without the yoke at the back, I find it very, very smooth. There won't be any bulkiness on the back of the senator or the shirt. It's going to be just smooth, right? It's just going to be your plain back with your shadow facing and your label without a yoke at the back. This is the result I'll be getting. Let me show you. I already finished this outfit you're looking at right here. You can see this. I already finished this outfit, and if you take a look at the back, there's a trouser inside. It's a linen fabric, so let me just put this aside. So if you look at the back, you can see that the back does not have any back yoke. You can see. But if you're doing this kind of a design, make sure that your thread and your stitches are as straight as possible. So the only thing you're going to see on my back is my shadow facing and my label stitch. You can see that. So that is the only thing you're going to see. What I noticed is that the front is always very, very flat, and the back is as smooth as possible. So I'll advise you guys to try this out and show me what you're going to get. You can comment below under this video and tell me your result if you sew your outfit without a yoke at the back. The result I'm getting is actually very nice. There won't be any bulkiness at the back of your outfit. Everything is going to relaxed and balanced and smooth very, very well. So I want you guys to try this out and show me the results you guys are getting if you try this out. I do believe that this journey of fashion is actually not a destination. It's based on progress. So if I get better at something and I feel like it should help you guys, I'll make a video about it and advise you guys to try it out. So far, this is beautiful. The result I'm getting here is nice. So I want you guys to just try it out and show me what you have so far. So there won't be any yoke on the back of your senator, just plain without a yoke, and it's going to be smooth. So try it out. Give this video a thumb up if it's helpful. Comment below after you try this out and you get a good result. And I posted a video recently on the screen, so I want you guys to watch that video next, or this one. This video are going to help you guys a lot. That will be about it. See you on the next video.